Well, hello, my pretties, and welcome back to Witching Around with Leslie. Thank you so much for joining me today. As you can see, we're going to go ahead and do a Boxycharm. But first, let's go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell, like, comment, let me know about your variation, let me know what you got, let me know what you think of this, or just come tell me hello. I'd love to hear from you. Without any further wait, we are going to go ahead and get started because I don't know anything about this box. I didn't see any sneak peeks or nothing. Haven't really had the time. I like the anticipation. If you know, you know. Thank you, Dr. Frankenfurter. Now let's go ahead and get started. It's heavy. Mine does not say how much it weighed, so I know some people ask that. So now here it is, and this is for Boxycharm. What is the month? August. We're in August. Can you believe it? So this is for Boxycharm August 2021 Basebox unboxing and variation reveal. Ta-da-da! Okay, so this theme is Go All Out. Okay, so this is it. It shows a bunch of like traveling things like pictures, sunglasses, camera. So yeah, I guess whatever that means to you. On the bottom it says save the date, September 13th, October Boxy Choice. Get up to 70% off in add-ons. And then it's have a scan code here, so I don't remember having that before. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. So we're gonna start from the bottom, just like always. You already know. So the first one is Ciate London. I like that brand. Where are you, Ciate? Where are you? And here it is. It is a shadow flip, multi-chromatic shifting liquid shadow. I love multi-chromes and duochromes, and I like this brand. So okay. You're already getting me in the feels, Boxy. So Ciate London Shadow Flip. This liquid eyeshadow has shade shifting, color flipping pigments. Ooh. It creates an instant multi-chrome effect on the lids, blending seamlessly into a multi-tonal look in just one simple step. The color appears to change as light reflects off the contours of the eyelid and the eye crease. Well, I can already tell you it's got me. I don't even know what color it is. And the MSRP is $20 for this little thing. $20. Ooh, but look, I don't even know if y'all can see that. The way it's shifting colors when I turn it in the light. This is mine. This is mine. I don't know what the color is. Oh, the color is Ember. Okay, I'm gonna have to try it already. Ooh, it sure is, actually. I'm gonna have to go find some other colors. I don't, this isn't exactly a favorite color of mine, but oh my gosh. Way to go, Ciate. I am definitely gonna go look for other colors now. Thank you. Okay, up next we have Truly Beauty. Ooh, this is Truly's expensive and pretty sought after in the makeup community for the most part. Well, it's a small one, but that's okay because I probably might not try it otherwise, unless I like it. Then, you know. So Truly Beauty. Pineapple Haze CBD Glossy Lip Butter. Oh, that sounds wonderful. Soak in the benefits of hemp, jojoba, and vitamin E to hydrate and condition your lips while protecting them against everyday environmental aggressors like the sun and dry weather. It's a perfect daily balm that adds a juicy shine to your lips while locking in moisture all day long. You can even smother it on before bed as a nighttime repairing lip mask. That sounds pretty good. MSRP is $16. Yeah, this little thing is $16. So if you can imagine a big thing. Oh, it smells fabulous. It looks, let's see, we're gonna take some off the lid right here. That feels nice. It feels nice and smooth. made me realize how dry the rest of my skin is. We'll have to work on that. So I am keeping this. It is rub butter onto lips thoroughly. Yep. Okay, so I'm keeping this. This is mine. Then we have the Clean Skin Club Pineapple Glow Mist. And that is this right here. Heavy. This is what's heavy. It's 3.4 fluid ounces. Let's go ahead and learn a little bit about it. It says Clean Skin Club Pineapple Glow Mist. This mist is formulated with pineapple enzymes. Pineapple is supposed to be very healthy for you. Hyaluronic acid, peptides, and antioxidants to give dull, tired skin a healthy glow. Oh my gosh, this is exactly what I need. Seriously. This lightweight, fast-absorbing formula deeply penetrates and hydrates the skin. Mist onto clean skin after cleansing and before serum. That sounds pretty good. MSRP is $38. I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at the bottle, and possibly smell it. Ooh, this is a. Doesn't smell like pineapple. Smells like cosmetic. And this is a heavy and thick glass bottle. It's pretty. I think I might have to keep this too. MSRP on that is $38, in case I missed it. Okay, now next up is Iconic London Ultimate Bronzing Powder. And that is this right here. I just want to point out that they did include some packing, because a lot of times they don't when I think they should, and that gives them bonus points with me. Ultimate Bronzing Powder is perfect for creating an all-over sun-kissed warmth or to define and sculpt the face. Okay. With a natural matte finish, you can fake a just stepped off the beach bronze look all year round. The silky powder sits comfortably on the skin, skimming effortlessly over pores and fine lines for the ultimate flawless finish. Available in 6 flattering shades to suit all skin tones. MSRP is $35. Okay, well, it's big. Give it that, it's big. And here we go. Ooh. Yeah, that's big, that's huge. I was in need of a bronzer anyway, so, well, you know, so far, Boxycharm, you're not doing too bad. You're making up for last month. So, the next one is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. And here it is. I have been needing exfoliators, so revive dull, dry, lackluster looking skin with Kate's Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. Powerhouse ingredients remove dead surface skin cells while smoothing fine lines and wrinkles to reveal younger looking skin. So they can get rid of this right here. Alrighty, I'm all about it. Oh my gosh. Do you even want to know what retail, what the MSRP is? Do you? Do you? $70. I didn't think you wanted to know. So, wow, that's an expensive one. Look at that. And this is for 1.7 fluid ounces. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, look at that. I have received products in here before from it, but I don't think I've ever actually tried one of them. Can anybody tell me if their products are actually worth the price? I'd really like to know. I think I gave away the last thing they gave. So, I might have to find out on my own, but let me know what you guys think of this brand. And let me know what you think of anything in this box. Let me know about what you got. Let me know anything about makeup. Just let me know how you are, whatever. So, that's it for these products. Is what we got. Where are my products? Come here, products. Okay. So we got the Truly, the Clean Skin Pineapple Mist, the Exfoliate, the iconic bronzer and the Ciate eyeshadow. I'm impressed with this one. I am. And you know what? It came early, for real. Good going, Boxycharm. So, yeah, this is what we got today. Yay, Boxycharm. I'm happy with it. I'm not hard to please, so if that tells you anything. But all in all, yes, I do recommend this box, this variation, this Boxycharm. I'm happy with it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this video has enlightened you and brought you some kind of knowledge on whether you want this or not, or if you ever want Boxycharm in your life ever. So thank you so much again for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.